Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my annual Christmas Eve special. So this is my Christmas special episode. For today's episode, we are doing gingerbread house decorating with some fine wine. And most importantly, let me introduce my beautiful contestant over here. This is gonna go so bad. Welcome to my channel again.
Thanks for having me.
Of course, it's a pleasure. Let me just move this real quick, just in case you guys can't see our outfit. We are looking like fine wine,
but like
she's nice and I'm naughty.
I really need my other arm.
I'm so excited to start this video. If you guys don't already know, I upload every single week. Every single week. Look out for a video every single week. Hey. Let's get started. We gotta take this off so we can get down to business. All right, fam. We are looking extra cute today, okay, honey?
No, you are. This one with her candy cane eyeliner.
Okay, let me get a close-up. If you guys want to know details, check out my Instagram, girl. If you aren't following me, what are you really doing, really?
For real. Like, look at that candy cane. I'm over here basic, and she's like, hey. She has like sugar crystals on her eyelid.
Can we focus? Let's focus. I was super inspired by somebody on Instagram. She's super talented, and I'm like, oh my god, I gotta recreate that look. So here you go. If you guys want to know details, check out me on the gram.
I can't even do my eyeliner, and like I'm gonna make a house right now. Like, what's happening?
For today's episode, we thought it would be a great idea for everyone who's 21 and over. Please drink responsibly. 21 and over in the United States. I don't know about your country, but that's how it is over here. We are going to do gingerbread house decorating with some wine. Why not? Why not? So I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy.
Okay. I was gonna say don't break a nail or a tooth.
I'm professional at this.
I'm so sorry.
Please tell them about your glass of wine. Please look at this. It's the size of my head.
So this is a jumbo wine glass. It fits a whole bottle. It's gonna be one heavy ass glass.
I know, right?
Okay, we're not trying to drink a whole bottle today because we're trying to build houses right now.
Yeah.
I mean, that was not my cork, whatever that's called. You get me. You got me, right?
There we go.
It's so early for this.
There we go. Tutorial how to open up a wine bottle. Link in the description. Just kidding. All right, girl. We got some Stella Rosa. None of this is sponsored, by the way.
I'm really excited. Guys, I'm the least artistic person ever.
Okay, I think. Tell me if you want more, girl. All right, girl. Cheers. Yeet. Happy New Year, happy Merry Christmas to everyone. Be responsible. I hope everyone has such a great New Year 2019. There's a lot of shit coming my way, okay? Your way, everyone's way. I hope everyone has a great New Year. Happy holidays. And I'll see you next year, like next week, okay?
Yeah.
Cheers to that.
Cheers. I just like juice. I'm gonna get my area all clean.
That's good. You want some salami? Some prosciutto? Yeah, I thought it'd go good with the wine.
Were you handing it to me? Oh, there's two.
Oh, that was cute. Whenever I went to the store, I'm used to seeing those brown, like light brown, regular gingerbread houses. And then I saw this bad boy and I was like, oh my god, Hershey's. Hershey's makes gingerbread houses? Like what? This is a chocolate cookie house kit. So
that's awesome.
I want to try it out. And this one doesn't have like shitty candy because you know the other ones are like not cute. This one has Hershey's, it has Kisses, Twizzlers, Jolly Ranchers. It's lit.
And holly, leaves, and berries.
There you go. So I'm gonna just rip this thing open.
I had tape on mine, that's why.
Yeah, I had tape on mine too. I had to make sure they weren't broken at the store. I freaking opened that shit. I bought them. You know, don't open random stuff at stores and not buy it. Ooh.
Wow, this is legit.
This is cute.
I can't even draw stick figures. You want me to decorate a house?
This is literally my favorite thing to do ever. So we got the house portion. We got, oh, that smells good.
Oh man.
All right. We got Twizzlers. I'm not a big fan of Twizzlers.
I know, I don't like them either.
Yeah, I don't. Look at this.
Yeah, look, it has to.
They used to give this, and not even this one. You have to put it in a Ziploc and like cut the corner. Damn.
This is legit.
We are improving. We got some candies, some Hershey's, some Kisses. My side.
Stay on that side, okay?
This is the like bottom part. Like you stick the house on this.
Oh really? I thought that was a door, cause like.
No, girl, that's the door.
Oh! This is my first time. Don't make fun of me right now. Yeah, I've never made one. That's why I was like, are you sure you want me to be in your video?
Oh, wow.
You guys are gonna laugh at me.
Oh my god, that is so exciting.
Oh,
Where'd that go? Oh well. Oops. I'm going to start this one off. And don't be generous with your icing because you don't want to like run out and not have anything to decorate with, you feel me?
Alright.
Put the icing around.
Alright. Is it really hard? It's supposed to be this hard to squeeze out?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? This is a lot of it. Look.
Oh. Oh, what the? Alright.
Wow. You
Alright.
fancy, huh?
Okay.
Having issues right now. I need a drink. But you guys see this? Anytime I squeeze, it comes out.
Let me try.
Like,
Let me try. This part could be ugly, so it's okay.
it's okay, I'm not worried.
Alright fam, when you guys were gone, her icing exploded, so now she has to turn to a knife and a plate.
This exploded too.
Yeah.
Literally, you guys.
We tried putting it in a Ziploc, that didn't work. Mine like fell and cracked. So I like put it back together.
Okay, this one's gonna start dancing. Your house is gonna collapse again. And nobody got time for this right now.
Why, bitch?
Oh, really? Okay, hold on. Where's my mic at?
I wanted to do a reaction video to Money by Cardi B, the new music video, but I was like, how do I do that without getting copyrighted? So does anyone know? Because I know you can't use like more than 20 seconds or you get copyrighted. So how do like react channels do that? If you guys know, please comment down below, let your girl know, because I'd be so down to do react videos. Okay, okay.
Wow.
This is cute. And then while I hold it, I'm gonna take out my handy dandy icing and seal the crevices. I love this song. Free Takashi! Instagram is so boring without him.
I haven't heard this song.
Yours looks good too, okay?
It's snow, it's not frosting.
Yeah.
Okay?
You just gotta like
Be positive.
cover it with candies and shit, you know?
Oh, don't worry, I will. Oh no, what did you just do? Yeah. Just wait for it, you guys. I'm just gonna wait for it and watch. So it's not nice. Oh wow. Oh wow.
Oh, hell no!
Oh, you gotta answer.
My favorite part, ready?
Instagram famous, but she can't keep a job.
That's Kanye? Yeah.
Have you heard Maluma's new song?
Like 2 seconds of it when you were getting ready last time.
Ooh.
Now this is dangerous. Oh man. This is... Like, how How is she able to do it by herself and I need like 5 hands?
I came up with this idea like a month ago, right? I texted her like, are you down? And she said, hey.
When were you going to Disneyland? Literally a month ago.
Yeah, a month ago. I was thinking of having a competition of like finishing the gingerbread houses and then you guys can pick who did a better job. But I don't think it's fair because your thing exploded.
We didn't need a competition, okay? And then before we started, you won. Like before. Oh my god.
Si como bailas, yo vi que desnuda. That's a good song.
Look at that. Look, it looks like frost. Look at this. Look out my window.
Ooh, getting all artistic and she.
You know, and look what it looks like. You know when your windows are fogged up? That's that's the effect I'm going for.
I like that.
Because I gotta do it with the knife.
And my disadvantage is my nails. See, now I can't get these tiny ass candies.
I can help you with that.
Oh, that's cute.
That is cute. If you guys only see the PJs I'm wearing, I'll swing. Move. Move out of my way. Take 2. Swing it. I can't hold it up. There you go. See this? And I got Christmas socks on, but I'm not going out in public like this.
You're doing good, girl. Don't discourage yourself. Oh, you know what I just remembered?
What?
Willie gave me like Sour Patch Kids because he didn't want to finish it and I didn't eat it. It's upstairs. I could like have them in the front like, hey, this is my house.
They can be the elves.
Yeah. I'll put little Sour Patch people. I have a couple left. I didn't eat any. Here we go.
Wow, you guys.
Oh, man down.
Scoop it up, scoop it up.
Bag it up, bag it up.
Look it up, look it up. And how do people, I've seen like really nice gingerbread house and I'm just like, how do people?
Because they have like the right tools.
Yeah, if I had the right tools, I think mine would look okay. Like, I'm not even saying good, I'm just saying okay.
Yeah.
Oh my god, doesn't mine look like a little tati? Like the... like, oh my god, yeah. Right? Look at that. That song is stuck in my head.
The Maluma one, huh? It's good, I'm telling you. It's a very dirty song. I translated the lyrics because I do that with every single song because I want to know what I'm singing. And it was very dirty. Because you never know, you could be like singing in the car and then like a family that actually understands what the song is saying is like next to you and they're like,
what is she doing right now?
You know? Oh, whatever. I'll take care of that later.
Just don't step on it and fall, please.
Oh my god, yeah. Dude, you know, I asked a lot of people, like, dude, you guys love how gingerbread houses taste? And they're like, wait, you eat it afterwards? Like, you don't throw it away? I'm like, what? Dude, I decorate mine, and it's literally sitting on the counter for like a week until it's all done. Every day, just someone chips a piece off and eats it. It's so good.
I've never done one, so I've never tasted one either.
Well, I don't know if this one's gonna taste like the regular ones because it's like the chocolate, but let's hope it does.
I know how to go and get a bag, don't I? I know how to get a bitch mad, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back.
I'm just frosting everywhere.
Stay alive for the bitches in the back, backing it up. I'm the queen of talking shit, then I'm backing it up. Yeah, backing it up. Throw that money over here, nigga. That's what you're
Throw that money with my frosting in hands.
Alright guys, I think we are done. Are we ready for the reveal?
I even explained my gingerbread house so they're not laughing at me, okay?
And turn.
Ta-da! You want to pull it up closer? Oh my god, look how clean hers is. Damn, Gina. Okay, let me explain to you guys my house, okay? Oh my god, I don't even want to look at you right now. I'm sorry. Damn, this looks so good. Good job, Ed. I like that.
Thanks.
Okay, because I got frosting everywhere and I had to do it with a knife, I put frosting all over so it just looks like snow, okay? It's not messy, there's just
It looks
snow.
Beautiful.
Thank you. Okay?
It looks beautiful.
I need to get credit because it's my first time and I had to do it with this and my fingers, okay? This looks fine. Thank you very much, I'm done.
You did a great job. Don't ever discourage yourself, girl. Should we get a close-up?
Of yours, yeah.
I just want to show you guys the details.
Look at it.
So it has my name. I didn't even attempt the windows, but whatever. And we had the front of the house. We got little minions over here, little elves. And yeah.
Let me show you my door. So I didn't put my name. You see, like it looks like it just snowed. The windows are frosted. The window. I was like, what is she doing? The windows are frosted, you know, like there's snow everywhere. Oh my god, it's gonna fall. Look at that door though. Look, it's
Oh my
a
God,
piece
it's literally
of chocolate. What's falling?
The side of the house.
Okay, I'm gonna go now. Ah, it's falling.
Oh girl. Eat it. Take a bite from it.
I said I need food. No, it's too, like we've been eating sweets. I need food. I want fries.
Alright guys, this wraps it up. I hope you guys enjoyed our first annual Christmas Eve special. Let's see what we'll do next year. We should make this like a yearly thing, an annual thing. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this freaking mess. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos.
Every single week. Every single week. Let's go.
Look out for a video every single week. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love all of you. Happy holidays, and I will see you next year.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Happy holidays, you filthy animals.